In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana. This process is simple and shouldn't take more than 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, we're going to begin by navigating to the Asana website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to asana.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Login option. Click on that button to proceed. Now, once you've clicked Login, you'll see different options to access your Asana account. For this tutorial, we're going to select Continue with Google, which is a common method for logging in quickly and securely. Simply click on Continue with Google and pick the appropriate Google account that's linked to your Asana profile. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Asana dashboard where a list of all your projects is located. Look over to the left-hand panel. This is where your projects will be displayed. Go ahead and locate the project you wish to delete. Simply click on the project name to open it. With your project open, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu next to the project name. Click on this drop-down menu, and you'll be presented with several options related to project settings. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Delete Project. Go ahead and click on Delete Project. But before you completely remove it, Asana will prompt you to confirm this action. This step is crucial as deleting a project can't be undone, so make sure that you're certain about this decision before proceeding. Once you're sure, click on the Delete button in the confirmation dialog. With this final click, your project will be deleted from Asana. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a project in Asana. And there we have it. This simple process helps keep your Asana workspace clean and organized. It's important to regularly evaluate which projects are still necessary and which ones can be removed. Always double-check before deleting projects to ensure that no important information is lost. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this guide made your project management experience just a little bit easier. If you have any more questions about Asana or project management tools in general, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out through our support channels. Have a fantastic day.